Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about the chapter 3.13 stress concentration from Shigley Mechanical Engineering Design textbook. Okay, it's better you have the textbook with you so that you can refer what I'm talking about. I hope this video will give some additional info for you for what you have learned from your class. Okay, um, these are some of the figures that given in the textbook. Okay, so introduction to stress in pressurized cylinders. Okay, what is pressurized cylinders? You have if in your kitchen there are gas. In especially in Malaysia, you can see the tong gas. Okay, you can see the tong gas in other countries. Maybe the gas come from the piping. Okay, so I'm talking about that. Okay, the gas cylinders. Okay, uh, the the forces the pressure that in the gas cylinders, in the pressurized cylinders, radial and tangential stress. It because the pressure is coming from the gas that is compressed inside the cylinder. Okay, cylinder pressure vessels experience radial or tangential stress due to internal and external pressure. There are three variables. Primary variables include internal radius, external radius, internal pressure, and external pressure. It must be uniform cross section. The cross section in the pressurized cylinder remain plane under pressure, such as longitudinal elongation is uniform. Okay, that is why you see the gas cylinder is always the same dimension. Okay, same dimension because you want to make it is uniform pressure. Okay, so tangential and radial stress equation, tangential hoop stress calculated with complex formula involving internal and external pressure. You can see the hoop stress. Okay, the picture depicted here, the gas cylinder, the black one, that the hoop. This is called the hoop lah. Okay, the hoop stress. Okay, in another textbook, you can see the hoop stress in the barrel of wines, or alcoholic barrels. Okay, they put the hoop there. Okay, this is also depicted of the hoop, hoop stress. Okay, radial stress depend on internal and external pressure and radius. Negative values indicate compression. Okay, during implication helps in designing pipelines, ensuring safer construction of pressurized system. Okay, special case where P naught equal to zero, simplified press equation when external pressure is zero. Stress equation simplify is in calculation. Okay, stress distribution stress vary across all thickness based on internal pressure and radius. Practical example where used in high pressure gas cylinders for safe pressure resistant design. Okay, so there is a special case where the external pressure becoming zero. So this is when we want to simplify the equation for it. Okay, there is an equation in the textbook. Then you can refer to the equation. Okay, that's all for the video right now. Inshallah, we meet in the next video. Thank you very much.